Oh, my son. Oh, my son. Oh, my son.
Yeah, man, SR Boss, I represent for Jamaican Baddest Channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. You don't know, before me jump in, may I beg everybody, like, share, and for all of my new watchers and my new listeners, please subscribe to the channel. It does a lot for the content, and it also does a lot for the channel. Alright, my people, so you don't see Wagwan right here, so right now, yeah? Koffee did a video with Sam Smith, right? And Foota, him never did happy about that, right? So, I just go know it, but just make you know it start. As well, you must know it start already, but we just go back to it. So, Koffee did a new music video with Sam Smith. I'm not even gonna run that video, the people. But Foota never like it. You know, Foota stay. Believe you have to keep dancehall the way how, you know, Jamaican culture really stay. And you know, so Jamaica will not really, you know, do certain things or whatever. So that Foota really a push. So Foota made this post to IG right within the time frame before that music video came out about Koffee. I'm going to show you the post that I want to see on the screen right now, my people. You understand? So right after that post, a lot of that created a big buzz on social media, big upstir as well. Koffee fans them, because you know, say Koffee, she's huge, so she have a huge fan base. You understand? So our fans them start come out, plus Foota hype. I feel look at people them too, and plus him can manage himself in terms of on the social media. I don't really need nobody to back him. A Foota hype is him can back himself. You understand? So after making this post, Foota hype is now saying he is getting threats. You understand? He might get threats from Koffee team and so on. So they might put like a 25k on him head, and this is the post that he made to his IG today, people. You understand? So I'm showing you what going, as well as I'm showing you some commentary on it. You understand? And yeah, but I don't want to think about that. So one of the things that Koffee really come in, I see Koffee as that type of person there, to be honest. You understand? For send threats and things like that. You understand? Yeah, she do a music video with Sam Smith, and it is debatable, my people. You understand? We can talk about it based on morals, based on dancehall culture and so on. But uno thinks say Koffee really like I send threats and so on, 25k pound Foota head and them some of there. Foota hyper say in him tweet say better she take the 25k and buy back her soul. You understand? So basically I say Koffee sell out and them type of thing there. So better she take the 25k and buy back her soul. You understand? People, make me know what uno think about that. You understand? In terms of the whole, let me know what you think about the whole music video as well. The whole music video that came out that Koffee did with Sam Smith. I look on the music video and you don't know, she performed well. It's just that when some things that Sam Smith are wearing at the video, I'm not really alright with that still. But the song itself, it's shot and it a do a thing. You understand? So big up yourself on that, Koffee. That. Alright, so people, last and not least, before we jump off of the vlog, we just gonna touch the whole Usain Bolt thing in a video that we show about this morning. I don't know if you wanna see it. If you wanna see it, please go over there, like up the video there, so it can get out to more people. You understand? So yeah, people, Usain Bolt, you know that he was robbed, right? Big company, SSL Investments, take over 10 million US dollars. Oh man, yo, that's a whole lot of money. But anyway, Usain Bolt was silent throughout throughout the entire ordeal, and he decided to say something. You understand? So he broke his silence, people. And how he did it was actually by actually putting on IG a part of his song, his recorded song. And let me just let you hear it, people.
In a world of lies, where is the truth? The history of evil, what is the root? In a world of lies, where is the truth? The history of evil, what is the root?
Yeah, my people, that's what you saying about they have to say about that, as well as he put it in his stories, and he also put it in his reels. You understand, his posts and his stories and everywhere. So, it's something that he really wanted to get out. And as you can see on the screen, a lot of persons has been going over to his IG and showing various support. They must say, yo, you have to get back your money. They must say, yo, I could do something now. They must say, yo, it can't go so. They must say a bag of things, my people. The commentary there, and you can, when you have the time frame, you can go over there, check out the video, check out Usain Bolt profile itself, and you'll be able to see that. Alright, my people, so alright, yeah, so mega jump off for the rest of the evening. And you don't know, this one was compact. So as I say, mega beg everybody, just like, share, beg you know and subscribe. All of my people them well listen and now pressing the subscribe button there, me I beg you know and subscribe. You understand? Alright, my people. So right as I make a jump off, when you done to the update on the screen, Koffee, death threats to Foota hype. This is what Foota hype is saying, my people. So you don't know. Tell me what you think about it. If Koffee is that type of person, as well as Usain Bolt and the whole SSL robbery go down. Sorry for hear about that, Usain Bolt, and we wish you all the best. Yeah, Usain Bolt, so we know you're gonna bounce back. You understand? So big up yourself, my people. Yes, I will go jump off. Respect, Jamaican chat.
Hard work, determination as always. Super, you want to say hi? Happy New Year to the people. But just listen, hard work, dedication, and everything. Same motion. Listen, nothing but love. Thanks for all the support, always people. You know what I mean? Continue.